In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional company profile in Canva that looks polished, modern, and ready to share with clients or investors. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and type Company Profile in the search bar. If you don't see that exact option, you can choose Presentation or Document. Both work perfectly for company profiles. Once the editor opens, browse through the available templates. Choose one that matches your brand style. For a corporate business, go with something clean and minimal. For a creative agency, pick a bold and modern layout. The template is just your starting point. After selecting your template, begin customizing it. Replace the placeholder text with your company name, logo, and tagline. Add sections like About Us, Our Mission, Services, Products, Team Members, Achievements, and Contact Information. Keep your text clear and concise. Focus on what makes your business unique. Next, update the visuals. Upload your company logo under Uploads and place it in the header. Swap stock images with real photos of your office, team, or products if possible. Consistency is important, so adjust colors to match your brand palette and keep fonts consistent throughout the document. Make sure your layout is aligned and spaced properly. Use Canva's position and align tools to keep everything neat. Avoid overcrowding pages. White space makes your profile look more professional. Once everything is finalized, click Share in the top right corner. If you plan to email or print it, choose Download and select PDF Print for high quality. If you want to send a digital version, you can share it as a view-only link. Review the final version one last time for spelling, alignment, and consistency before sharing. And that's it. That's how you create a professional company profile in Canva that represents your brand confidently and professionally.